Welcome to Borders Explorer. Today we're sharing our guide on the top 10 things to do in Cape Town. Whether you're planning your first visit or returning for more, this vibrant city has something for everyone. Stick around until the end for essential travel tips that will ensure you make the most of your Cape Town adventure. Let's get started. Number 10. Kirstenbosch National Botanical Garden. Located at the base of Table Mountain, Kirstenbosch is renowned for its incredible collection of South African plants. Spanning over 528 hectares, this garden is a haven of tranquility. Fun fact, it's one of the few botanical gardens in the world to be located within a national park. Number 9. Robben Island. A visit to Robben Island is a profound journey into South Africa's history. This island served as a prison where Nelson Mandela spent 18 years of his life. The ferry ride offers stunning views of Cape Town, and the island's guided tours provide an in-depth look at its significance. Did you know? Robben Island has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1999. Number 8. Victoria and Alfred Waterfront. This bustling waterfront area is perfect for shopping, dining, and entertainment. Named after Queen Victoria and her son Alfred, it's a lively spot with attractions like the Two Oceans Aquarium, which showcases marine life from both oceans surrounding Cape Town. Plus, it's home to the Zeitz Museum of Contemporary Art Africa, a must-visit for art enthusiasts. Number 7. Bo-Kaap. This colorful neighborhood is famous for its vibrant, multi-hued houses and rich cultural heritage. Bo-Kaap is also renowned for its Cape Malay cuisine, a delicious blend of flavors from Southeast Asia and Africa. A stroll through its streets offers a glimpse into the area's unique history and traditions. Number 6. Aquila Private Game Reserve. Aquila Private Game Reserve offers an unforgettable opportunity to experience Africa's breathtaking wildlife up close, just a short drive from Cape Town. Visitors can embark on guided game drives to see the Big Five in their natural habitat, making for a thrilling adventure. The reserve is home to a remarkable variety of species, including rare black eagles and endangered Cape buffalo. Additionally, the stunning landscape, featuring rolling hills and vast plains, provides a picturesque backdrop for an immersive safari experience. Number 5. Boulders Beach. Famous for its resident African penguin colony, Boulders Beach offers an unforgettable experience. You can get up close to these charming birds in their natural habitat. The sheltered coves and clear waters are perfect for a swim. Did you know? The penguins here were introduced in the 1980s and have since thrived, making this beach a unique wildlife attraction. Number 4. Table Mountain. An iconic symbol of Cape Town, Table Mountain is a natural wonder with its flat-topped summit. You can hike up or take a cable car to enjoy panoramic views of the city and beyond. The mountain is home to unique flora, including the rare fynbos plant. Did you know? Table Mountain is one of the new 7 wonders of nature. Number 3. Hout Bay. A picturesque harbor town, Hout Bay is perfect for a relaxing day trip. Enjoy fresh seafood at the local market, take a boat tour to see the seal colony at Duiker Island, or simply soak in the stunning views of the surrounding mountains. Fun fact, Hout Bay was once a busy whaling station in the 19th century. Number 2. Cape Winelands. Just a short drive from Cape Town, the Winelands are renowned for their world-class vineyards. Explore charming towns like Stellenbosch, Parel, and Franschhoek, known for their rich wine heritage. Did you know? The Parel Rock, a massive granite outcrop located in Parel, is a prominent natural landmark in the area. It's one of the largest granite formations in the world and offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. And finally, number 1. Cape Town's Red Bus Tours. Cape Town's double-decker Red Hop-On, Hop-Off buses are an iconic way to see and explore the city. It is an adventure on wheels. These double-decker buses are your ticket to discovering the city's most cherished landmarks and hidden gems. Here's a cool fact about Cape Town's Red Bus tours. Did you know these iconic double-decker buses cover over 40 top attractions? That's right. With just one ticket, you can hop on and off to explore Cape Town's most incredible sights, from Table Mountain to Cape Point. If you're planning a trip to this stunning city, we've got all the essential info you need. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about languages. In Cape Town, you'll hear Afrikaans, English, and Xhosa. Afrikaans is widely spoken, while English serves as the primary language for tourists. Xhosa is also common and adds a unique local touch to the cultural experience. Picking up a few phrases in these languages can really enhance your visit. Next, local currency. In Cape Town, the local currency is the South African Rand, abbreviated as ZAR. As of now, 1 USD is equivalent to less than 20 ZAR. Keep in mind that exchange rates can fluctuate, so it's a good idea to check the latest rates before you exchange money. Let's cover payment options. Credit cards are widely accepted across Cape Town, including in hotels, restaurants, and shops. Visa and MasterCard are the most commonly used, while American Express may not be as widely accepted. ATMs are plentiful throughout the city, so you can easily withdraw cash as needed. Just remember to notify your bank about your travel plans to avoid any issues with your cards. Safety is important when traveling. Cape Town is generally safe, but it's wise to stay vigilant. Stick to well-lit and busy areas, especially at night. Avoid displaying valuables like expensive jewelry and use reputable taxi services or ride-sharing apps instead of hailing cabs off the street. Keep an eye on your belongings and be cautious of pickpockets in crowded places. Plug types. For your electronic devices, Cape Town uses Type M plugs with a standard voltage of 230 volts and a frequency of 50 Hertz. Make sure to bring a suitable adapter or converter if your devices have different plug types. This can also be found at various shops in and around Cape Town. Wondering about the best time to visit Cape Town? Cape Town has a Mediterranean climate with warm, dry summers and mild, wet winters. The peak tourist season runs from December to March, offering warm weather and vibrant city life. For fewer crowds and cooler temperatures, visit during the shoulder seasons of spring, September to November, or autumn, April to May. Winter, from June to August, is cooler and wetter, but provides a unique experience. Let's dive into the best ways to get around Cape Town. First up, Cape Town's hop-on, hop-off buses. This is one of the most convenient and flexible ways to see the city. The Cape Town's hop-on, hop-off tour buses offer guided tours with multiple routes covering major attractions and landmarks like the V&A Waterfront, Table Mountain, and the Cape Winelands. Car rentals. If you prefer the freedom of driving yourself, renting a car is a superb choice. It offers flexibility and convenience, especially for exploring surrounding areas and attractions like the Cape Winelands and Cape Point, or taking a scenic drive along Chapman's Peak Drive. Public buses. Next, we have the My City bus service. It's a cost-effective option that's perfect for navigating Cape Town's city center and suburbs. The service is reliable and offers a range of routes, making it easy to reach popular spots. Bicycle rentals. For those who enjoy a bit of exercise, renting a bicycle is a fantastic way to explore Cape Town. The city has dedicated bike lanes and bike-friendly routes, particularly around the waterfront and the City Bowl. It's a great way to soak up the sights and stay active. E-hailing services. Cape Town offers e-hailing services like Uber and Bolt. These are excellent for getting around when you need a more direct route or when exploring off the beaten path. And of course, walking. Walking is one of the best ways to experience the city up close. Many of Cape Town's attractions are within walking distance of each other, especially in areas like the city center and the V&A waterfront. Now that we know how to get around Cape Town, let's chat about where to stay in Cape Town. Whether you're on a shoestring budget or looking for a touch of luxury, I've got you covered. So first up, if you're traveling on a budget, you can find places starting from around $15 to $50 a night. Not bad, right? Hostels and guest houses are great for meeting fellow travelers too. A couple of tips. Book in advance. Prices can jump during peak season, so snagging your spot early can save you a few bucks. Consider dorm rooms. They're super affordable and a fun way to connect with other travelers. Explore areas like Observatory or Green Point. You'll find a lively atmosphere without breaking the bank. Now, if you're looking for something a bit nicer, mid-range options usually fall between $70 and $150 a night. Think boutique hotels and cozy guest houses. Here are some tips for you. Keep an eye out for deals online. Websites like Booking.com often have special offers, especially if you're traveling during the off-peak season. Look for perks. Free breakfast or Wi-Fi can really add value to your stay. And remember location. Staying near the V&A Waterfront or Camps Bay gives you stunning views and easy access to attractions. Now, if you're ready to splurge a little, luxury accommodation can range from $200 to $1,000 or more a night. Cape Town has some stunning options. Here's how to make the most of it. Check for packages. Many luxury hotels offer deals that include meals or spa treatments, which is always a treat. But think about the location. Areas like the Atlantic seaboard are gorgeous and close to everything you want to see. Join loyalty programs. If you're a fan of certain hotel chains, these programs can score you room upgrades and free nights. Finally, for families, you'll find great options typically ranging from $100 to $300 a night. There are plenty of family-friendly spots that cater to everyone's needs. Here's what to look for. Consider renting an apartment. It gives you more space and a kitchen for meals, which can be a lifesaver. Check for kid-friendly amenities. Pools, game rooms, or parks nearby can keep the little ones entertained. And again, location matters. Look for places near attractions like the Two Oceans Aquarium or the Cape Town Science Center for easy family fun. So whether you're backpacking or looking for a luxurious getaway, Cape Town has something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel guides and tips. Safe travels, and see you in our next adventure.